Describing the features of PPI. This is the adjust button. So as you seen here, the first is a gain. So if you increase the gain, right now it is the gain is 69%. If you increase at 100%, what will happen? We will see. Just click enter, increase the gain. If I go 100%, you can see the lots of noise comings and unwanted echoes are generated on the screen. So you have to be sure that suppose when you are using in the indoor, don't increase the gain, bigger gain. So you have to just put the gain appropriate so that you should handle a good amount of clutter. So right now I am putting my radar at 66% of the gain. So most of the things are going to be cleared. Okay, and still I can reduce. Okay, so now it is much better, 62%. So we will go for the second features called as C clutter. Clutter means unwanted noise coming from the echoes. If you want to reduce that echoes from the surfaces, so you have to turn on this C clutter. So right now it is off condition. If I increase conditions 27%, so if I increase it, you can see there's a lots of clutters also get vanish easily in the screen. So this actually C clutter is to use to reduce the surface clutters. Now you can see again, earlier the yellow color is big, here also big, but it is reduced. Now again reduce for 59%. Only the whatever the real echoes, that is only comes in the screens. Okay, so I again come and say off conditions. Wait. Then the next clutter is the rain clutter. Rain clutter is also that many times the rainy seasons are there. Then you can turn on these clutters. You can tell him that this much percent raining is there. Then according to that, he will adjust your screen, reduce the rains. And the next is also you can, right now I put off, enter, then adjust. Then there is an FTC clutter. FTC clutter is low, medium and high. FTC means fast time constant clutter. It is a low frequency clutter. Basically the low frequencies components coming to the echo, then it will reduce that kind of filter. It is just a filter. So you better way turn off, enter. Then again the next feature is zooming. You can zoom smaller object. Target expansion. Target expansion means you can see particularly target, how it is growing. If it is coming to you slowly the echo is going to be increased. That time you can utilize this function. Then the next function is called as a trail. Trail is a function which shows you the moving paths. So if some of the aircraft is coming towards you, then you can see the path, how it is coming from this side or some back side. So you can just simply see the path of that target. Then there is a guard zone. Guard zone means in a particular area, suppose if you want to block the electromagnetic rays in suppose this area, suppose this is the wall or this is ATC side compound, so you can guard zone, it will block that EM rays. And then there is an these markers are there, VRM and EBL. These are the two markers. Thank you.